Welcome in my happy learning class. In today's class we will read some quotations. So what are quotations? Quotations are famous statement written or said by the renowned people like writers, philosophers, leaders, etc. So today we will read some quotations said by some famous personalities. So first is, he that goes borrowing goes a sorrowing. He that goes borrowing goes a sorrowing. And this is said by or written by Franklin. So he said, he that goes on borrowing goes a sorrowing means जो हमेशा किसी से चीजें उधार लेता रहता है उसके जीवन में दुख बढ़ता ही जाता है. So we should never borrow, especially money. He that goes borrowing goes a sorrowing. Next is, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. And it is written by Keats. A thing of beauty is a joy forever means जो खूबसूरत चीज होती है वो हमेशा सुंदर लगती है और हमेशा सबके मन को प्रसन्न करती है. So that is said by or written by Keats. Right? Third one is, when angry, count 10 before you speak, and when very angry, count 100. When angry, count 10 before you speak. If very angry, count 100. See, what a beautiful thought, what a beautiful quotation written by Jefferson, and he has written that when angry, जब आपको बहुत गुस्सा आता है तो बोलने से पहले 10 तक गिनो, और जब बहुत ही ज्यादा गुस्सा आता है तो बोलने से पहले 100 तक गिनो. That means you should have patience. When first check your patience and try to be cool, then speak whenever you are angry. So once again, when angry, count 10 before you speak. If very angry, count 100. So this is a beautiful quotation by Jefferson. Now, fourth one is, one today is worth two tomorrows. One today is worth two tomorrows. Never leave that till tomorrow which you can do today. Again, beautiful quotation. One today is worth two tomorrows. Right? Never leave that till tomorrow which you can do today. Means कल के या भविष्य के 2 दिन से बेहतर है आज का एक दिन, जो कि जिस काम को हम आज कर सकते हैं हमको उसको कल पे कभी नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. And it is written by or said by Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin. And the last one for today is 5th number. And this is my favorite, and this is very, very, very important, and said by Mahatma Gandhi, father of nation. If boys and girls do not learn discipline in school, listen carefully. If boys and girls do not learn discipline in the school days, money and time spent on their education is a national waste. See? If boys and girls do not learn discipline in the school days, money and time spent on their education is a natural waste. So see, I hope all students are listening and making your mind to understand this statement said by Mahatma Gandhi. क्या कहा उन्होंने कि यदि किसी भी राष्ट्र के बच्चे, लड़के या लड़कियां अनुशासन नहीं सीखते हैं अपने, कब? जब वो पढ़ते हैं, यानी अपने जो उनके स्कूल के दिन होते हैं, यानी विद्यालय का जीवन जो होता है, उन दिनों अगर वो डिसिप्लिन नहीं सीख पाते हैं तो यह किसी भी राष्ट्र की संपत्ति और समय का क्या है? एक राष्ट्रीय नुकसान है. तो सारे बच्चों को फर्स्ट थिंग टू लर्न डिसिप्लिन. एजुकेशन, मोटिव ऑफ एजुकेशन इज टू make disciplined child and disciplined citizen and patriotic citizen. So if boys and girls do not learn discipline in the school days, money and time spent on their education is a national waste. So keep that in mind and make our country proud and be disciplined. If you are disciplined, everybody will be happy with you, and if everybody will be happy with you, you will also feel happy and you will learn more happily and your life will be successful. So keep learning and keep revising and remember these quotations, because many times while writing any essay, any paragraph, they can click in your mind and you can use them in your essays to make your writing skill very, very good. So use them in your sentences and in life also. See, all quotations are very good, and see you in next class. I will bring some more quotations for you, and have a very good day. Keep learning.